What is hypnotic susceptibility for hypnosis? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to slip into a trance while others struggle to even relax? This brings us to the concept of hypnotic susceptibility. So, what exactly is it? Hypnotic susceptibility refers to a person's natural ability to respond to hypnotic suggestions and enter a hypnotic state. It shows how easily someone can experience changes in perception, sensation, emotion, thought, or behavior when under hypnosis. This ability varies widely among individuals and tends to remain stable throughout a person's life. At its core, hypnotic susceptibility measures how responsive someone is to suggestions during hypnosis. Individuals with high susceptibility are more likely to experience vivid alterations such as hallucinations, amnesia, or motor changes. In contrast, those with low susceptibility may barely respond or resist entering hypnosis altogether. Research suggests that about 10% of people are highly susceptible, 80% fall in the middle range, and another 10% have low susceptibility. Scientists have developed various scales to measure hypnotic susceptibility, including the Harvard Group Scale and the Stanford Hypnotic Susceptibility Scales. These tests typically involve a hypnotic induction, which is the initial process to guide someone into a hypnotic state. After that, a series of suggestions are presented, and participants may or may not respond. Responses can be physical, like involuntary movements, or cognitive, such as altered memories or sensations. The more suggestions a person responds to, the higher their susceptibility score. Interestingly, psychological factors also influence hypnotic susceptibility. Personality traits and a person's expectations about hypnosis play a role. For instance, individuals who believe they have control over their experiences tend to respond differently than those who think the hypnotist is in control. Some traits linked to higher susceptibility include persistence, emotional contagion, and self-sacrificing behavior, although these relationships can vary. From a weird science perspective, hypnotic susceptibility opens the door to strange and quirky experiments. The mind can be tricked into perceiving impossible sensations or forgetting recent events. This phenomenon shows how the brain's normal rules can be bent under suggestion, revealing the mysterious ways consciousness can be altered. Despite decades of research, no clear biological marker for hypnotic susceptibility or the depth of hypnosis has been found. This makes it an intriguing puzzle that blends psychology, neurology, and the oddities of human experience. Understanding hypnotic susceptibility can help clinicians and researchers tailor hypnosis for therapy or study. It also explains why some people can be deeply hypnotized while others remain unaffected. Hypnosis remains a fascinating mix of science and the strange quirks of the human mind.